Hello students, welcome to Maths class. Today we will see about 9th standard Maths set language Samuchai exercise 1.2. 8th question. Write down the power set of the following sets. निम्न का घात समुच्चय लिखो. First question. A equal to A comma B. So the subset of A are, first we have to write the subset. यानी ए का उपसमुच्चय पहले लिख लेंगे. सो द सबसेट ऑफ ए आर ए का उपसमुच्चय नल सेट रिक्त समुच्चय. हमेशा सबसे पहले रिक्त समुच्चय ही लिखना है. सो रिक्त समुच्चय नल सेट कमा ए कमा बी. वी हैव टू राइट दैट एलिमेंट सेपरेटली. सो ए कमा बी अलग अलग ऐसे लिखना है. इसके बाद ए कमा बी सेम क्वेश्चन को लिखना है, यानी पैर में लिखना है. नेक्स्ट द पावर सेट ऑफ ए. इसी को अभी घात समुच्चय में लिखेंगे क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, घात समुच्चय पावर सेट. सो पी ऑफ ए इक्वल टू पावर सेट बोलते हम लोग इन अवयवों को अलग अलग लिखते हैं ना, इन सबको फ्लावर ब्रैकेट के अंतर्गत लिखना है. सो फ्लावर ब्रैकेट के अंतर्गत द सेट ऑफ null set, that is रिक्त समुच्चय, comma a comma b comma a comma b. Is it clear students? Next one, this is very interesting one. Second sum, b equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. There are 3 elements is given there. 3 अवयव दिए हैं. The subset of b are b का उपसमुच्चय null set 1 comma 2 comma 3. Separately we are writing comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 3. We are writing in pairs. यानी एक एक जोड़ी में अभी लिखते हैं. पहले अलग अलग लिखे थे, अभी एक एक जोड़ी में. comma the question same 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, but we need the subset. So while asking them in the power set, first write in subset, यानी उपसमुच्चय में लिखना. इसके बाद घात समुच्चय में लिखो. First you write in subset and then you can write in the all the things you have to write in the flower bracket, and it's called the power set. So P of B equal to nothing but within flower bracket what you are writing, null set comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 separately, then pair y 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 3, then 1 2 3. Is it clear students? I hope everyone understand all these things now. Shall we move on to the next question? So this is nothing but that question is given there. D equal to P, Q, R, S. Now 4 elements are given there. So while giving that 4 elements, listen carefully and then write that one. See the subset of D are D का उपसमुच्चय रिक्त समुच्चय null set P, Q, R, S. We are writing separately and then we are writing in pairs. That is P comma Q. Then you are getting P comma R and then P comma S. Is it clear? Then Q comma R, Q comma S. Okay. Next one R comma S. And next one 3 elements P comma Q comma R and Q comma R comma S, and then P comma R comma S comma P comma Q comma S, and then comma the very same question you are repeating, that is P comma Q comma R comma S. So first null set and then we are writing separately and then we are writing the pairs and then we are writing in that is triple time we are writing, and then we are writing in the what is given in the question we are writing that one. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है ना अभी? The power set of D यानी D का घात समुच्चय जो जो मिला है वो सबको हम फ्लावर ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखते हैं. So P of D equal to nothing but null set P Q R S, P Q P R P S, Q R Q S R S, P Q R Q R S, P R S, P Q S, P Q R S. Everything we are writing in that flower bracket. Is it clear students? So while writing the 4 elements, listen carefully and then write. So because 1 and 2 element means we can easily write. The 4 elements they are given means, so carefully see that one and then write. And now fourth one, what is given in the question, E equal to null set. So the power set of E, that is E ka घात समुच्चय P of E equal to, what is that? null set. Shall we see the next sum? This is also a 10th question now. We will see about the 10th question. If n of a equal to 4, find n of p of a. So, यदि n of a equal to 4 हो तो n of p of a का मान ज्ञात करो. This is nothing but n of a equal to 4. So, n of p of a equal to what is that? That is 2 power m. So, 2 power 4, which is equal to 2. You are writing that 4 times. Okay, so 4 बार उसे लिखना है. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. That's why we are getting the answer as 16. And next one, if n of a equal to 0, find n of p of a. यदि n of a equal to 0 हो तो n of p of a का मान ज्ञात करो. This is nothing but n of p of a equal to 2 power 0. So whatever it may be the power 0, maybe a number or maybe the letters also. So power 0 means what is that? You'll get 1. So 2 power 0 equal to 1. See here, if n of p of a equal to 256, find n of a. This is nothing but यदि n of p of a equal to 256 हो तो n of a ज्ञात करो. This is nothing but that is 256. You are dividing first one. It is ending with even number. Samasankhya में अंत हो रहा है. So we are taking the small number as 2 and we are dividing that number. You have to select the small numbers only. Remember that. So while doing the L division, then 2 से भाग करते वक्त, then 2 से while dividing by 2, 2 ones are 2. Then 2 2s are 4. Balance 1 means it will become 16. So 2 8s are 16. And again in 2 table, 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Again in 2 table, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4 you are getting. Again in 2 table, 2 1s are 2. Here on balance you are getting, so 12 it will become. So in 2 table 12 how many times? 6 times. So 6 बार जाता है. Again in 2 table, that is you are getting 16. So again in 2 table, you are dividing means you will get 8. So 2 8s are 16. So 8 will come. Again this 8 in 2 table, 2 4s are 8. Again in 2 table this 4 will go 2. So 2 2s are 4. Again in 2 table 2 1s are 2. So n of p of a equal to nothing but 2 power 8. Therefore n of a equal to 8. Dear children, subscribe our school channel and click the bell button, like and share this video.